First help level for Solana truly is at $28.20, which essentially is genuinely critical. Solana certainly is buy and buy esteemed at $91.67 SOL cost streaks, indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a truly significant manner. Solana's EMA10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 20 January 2024, in this video we will for the most part walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is extremely transient cost expectation for Solana, by and large is SOL a kind of wise venture? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Solana support and opposition levels and so forth, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to jumping certainly profound into the SOL specialized examination, truly let us fundamentally discuss the really current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The by and large complete exchanging volume generally remains at $57,055,176,489 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how 20 January 2024, in this video, we will really walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is transient cost expectation for Solana, sort of is SOL a sort of wise venture, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, which truly is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in a significant manner. SOL, the really local coin of Solana for the most part, is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in a descending heading for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, pretty further appearance how SOL, the especially local coin of Solana in a real sense, is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Solana backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of more genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers certainly move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that the kind of complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $57,055,176,489 in a truly significant manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Solana, SOL, Solana execution. The cost of Solana, SOL, in every practical sense, is at $91.67, down 2.93% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 0.65% over the course of the week, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the SOL specialized examination. In a real sense, let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $2,386,717,737.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $39,686,028,920 United States dollars, exhibiting how right now, a sort of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Truly further appearance how sold the sort of local coin of Solana generally is somewhere near 2.93 and at present exchanging at $91.67, which explicitly is very critical. There for the most part are very nearly 432,910,616 sort of are available for use out of 567,560,704. Truly further appearance how moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, which in a real sense is very huge. Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024, inside a very everyday time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, showing how there explicitly are very nearly 432,910,616, essentially are available for use out of 567,560,704. Sort of additional appearance how moreover, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Solana. So one day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 2,386,717,737.00 United States dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to $39,686,028,920 United States dollars, exhibiting how right now, a by and large broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, essentially further appearance how sold the local coin of Solana especially is somewhere near 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67, which sort of is genuinely huge. The sole United States dollar moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, sort of is demonstrating a kind of present moment, explicitly sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath truly signal line which generally implies generally bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. So Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Examination for 20 January 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how there truly are very nearly 432,910,616 in a real sense, are available for use out of 567,560,704. Pretty further appearance how moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, which truly is very critical. While Sols Williams % are